This is what they have plastic welded and sealed up where it was leaking. And what? Dang, I'm hungry.
Attention campers, lunch has been canceled today due to lack of hustle.
You built this car, you said, huh?
Gas tank. That's what's in gas tanks are plastic. They have that seam that they split at.
Yeah.
QTZ workbench.
You too can have one.
Most people do already. Are we showing them a process today?
I don't know if we're showing a process. I just feel like it's part of the story.
Is there a story?
Maybe.
Maybe this video is going to kill your brain cells.
Why would you do this to us? Why?
Anti-seize or something to keep it from rusting.
Alright, this thing's getting hot, so let's get this thing down once.
Don't yell at me.
Guys, Carl's yelling at Jeff again.
Tell him.
Tell him. Let's catch it there. Would you look at that? Would you look at that?
Look at that. That's nice and shiny.
It's a subframe. There we go. Alright guys, yay! We'll take this commercial break to plug our merchandise.
After these messages, we'll be right back.
By the way, this may be a good time to take a moment just to remind you guys, if maybe you don't know, we have launched our merch store. It's superfreestyle.bigcartel.com, and we do have t-shirts available. This is what they have plastic welded and sealed up where it was leaking. And apparently a common thing for S14, put some foam on the straps that hold the tank up because that's where the stress points are, and apparently that's where this one was cracking. So we brought this stuff here too.
The next day.
Well, folks, it rained last night.
So graceful. All right, well, thanks for hanging out with us, guys, and watching the video.
Next time, I guess.
You said it.
Now what?